porch lights glow. Cabin in the hills where the good times roll. Beds roll through, made it shine. Yeah, we turn that table one more time. Pulled up slow to that mountain view. Cabin called Hoot-N-Holler, yeah, you know it's true. Had a red felt table scene, better days, but we came in swinging with a brand new face. Tore it down, built it right, level to the rail, now plays real tight. From worn out red to a charcoal tone, now the table got a style all its own. Hear the laughter off the back porch rail, boots on wood and a cold drink chill. Rack 'em up, let the good times roll. This is what we do, yeah, this is our soul. Down at Hoot-N-Holler where the echoes ring, charcoal felt got that smooth new swing. From late night shots to a break at dawn, we roll and fix it up. Get your game on. In the hills of Pigeon Forge where the good times call, every shot hits clean, every friend stands tall. From a worn out past to a brand new song, now it's play all night, yeah, game on. Few sticks leaning by the cabin door, footprints on the floor from a night before. Friends all gathered round that slate, calling their shots like they tempting fate. Lights hang low, got the country glow, balls roll smooth, hit us off the goal. You can feel the change in every frame when Billiards puts their name. From Gatlinburg down to Pigeon Forge, we bring the heat, yeah, we set the course. Every table got a second life, turning old into brand new nights. Routine Hoot-N-Holler, let the whole place shake. Charcoal cloth on a clean, fresh break. From cabin cruise to the weekend throne, line it up, knock it down, get your game on. Rack it up, let it fly. Mountain nights, shots don't lie. From red to charcoal, we change the game.